Hey guys, this is Toy with GOBLACKink.com, and I'm going to quickly show you how to create overlays for your live streams. Some people call them slides. In the StreamYard world, they're overlays. So I'll show you how to do that very quickly. First thing we're going to do is create a broadcast. I'm going to use my practice group because I'm going to go live and I don't want everybody to see the practice. Let's call it slideshow test, and let's schedule this guy for later. Let's do that. 7 o'clock tonight. Add a random image in here because this is practice, right? Okay. Click apply and create broadcast. And while that broadcast is creating, we're going to show you really quickly 2 ways to do it. You can use Google Slides. As you can see, I created these different slides real simply using the tools that are right here. I just wrote what I wanted. I added branding, and the 2 things that are important to remember with creating the slides is to make sure that you have the proper dimensions. If you click on the slide, I think it'll show you here. See format options, size. Okay, so you can see that the width, the height in inches is 20 by 11.25. So that works for me. If I'm creating Google Slides to go into StreamYard as overlays, that size works for Toya. Okay? Alright, and you can do them however you want to. The last thing you need to remember is to ensure that your background is transparent. So you'll be able to be seen if you want to be seen with your slides. So you want to go to background and just change that and make sure that guy is transparent. Alright? Then go to File, and then you want to go to Save As, where it is. Download, I'm sorry. Go to Download, and you want to download as a PNG file. And that's that. That's how you create the slide, your StreamYard slides for your live streams, okay? And so one more option. This is the option I typically use, Canva. I use Canva for all kind of graphics and stuff, so I enjoy using it. I know the platform pretty good. So what I did in here is the same thing. Let's see, the dimensions, the ones that StreamYard recommend. Let's look at that real quick. Let's enter the broadcast. Boom, boom, boom. Toy Glenn. And let's go to brand. We're in my practice group. Perfect. And as you can see here, overlays, this is where we upload them. It says 1280 by 720 is the recommended size. So in Canva, I do believe that's what I have. Yep, as you can see, it's 12. I labeled it. You can't see it, but it's 1280 by 720, right? So I just I used the elements here, and I created the graphics. I added logos. In this particular slide, I did not want to be seen, so this one would not be transparent. I was in a 5-day challenge, so I just added the topic there, added my branding, and so you would totally see my face, and you would see my branding, and it's in the spot where I want it to. Within the StreamYard platform, you can add your brand logo, but it's in the upper right-hand corner, and I didn't want it there. So this gives you a little more flexibility when you create these. I wanted to share some trivia, so my face would show up here, and the trivia would show on the screen with me. So that worked. So this is how you download it. You simply go to here to the publish button. You can click on download. Make sure you click transparent background. And this one has not been downloaded yet, so we'll grab that guy, number 6. Click done and download. All right, there we go. Perfect. So now we want to go to, let's close out. We're done with Canva. Let's close that. All right, so now we want to go to upload within our broadcast area here. And this is the one we want. Boom. Okay, it's there. And so you simply can add your face when you go live, and then you can add any logos you want. So I can, hi, how you doing? This is Latoya. I'm so glad that you joined me today. I'm live with Go Black Inc. So glad that you're here. Today we're going to talk about Angelique, and she's going to share the 5-day challenge deal. And if you want to join StreamYard, you can here sign up via this link, GOBLACKink.com/StreamYard. So that is how you add slides into StreamYard. You can add your face in there, or you can have yourself out of them. Okay, have a great day. Thank you.